United States being our treaty ally. Secretary, has the United States asked the Philippine government to support its military operations against Iran in any way? For example, ma'am, through access to EDCA sites or military coordination, or at least man lang, Secretary, statements condemning Iran, since treaty ally nga tayo.
Wala pang hinihingi ng ganyan ng Amerika sa atin, pero siguro I defer to the Department of Defense. At sila ang may kaalaman niyan at directly sila nakikipag-usap sa Department of War. Pero not as far as the Department of Foreign Affairs is concerned. Wala silang hinihingi. Except for may mga resolutions sa United Nations concerning these issues.
What resolution is that, Secretary?
Alam ko may resolution na parang kinokondem ang Iran sa mga retaliatory measures na ginawa nila, but I think pumasa na yata ito sa United Nations, and we're just looking into these issues.
The US asked us to support.
I think it was not US ang nag-push nito, Bahrain.